Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, you guessed it, I got the new Nespresso Vertuo Pop, if I'm pronouncing it right. And on the last episode, I did that vlogging video at the mall, at the Japanese anime stores and round one, and at that weird disco looking restaurant that was all fish called how was it called? It was called Stone Crab or something crab. Anyways, it reminded me of Chuck E. Cheese's in the 90s. But anyways, I got an Espresso Vertuo Pop. Yes, indeedy. So, we're gonna see how good this is because it just came in today in my pallets. And so I decided to buy one to try it out. Plus, before we do that, and I don't know nothing about Nespresso machines or their pods. So I bought not one, not two, but three Nespresso coffees from Starbucks. Now, see, I bought these not realizing, hey, are these compatible with the new Nespresso machine? Like I said, I don't know nothing about the Nespresso machine. And actually I have this blondie opened so you can see. And it has the little, I don't know, scanning barcode thingy about here that scans it. But yeah. And this thing does espresso, double espresso, gran lungo, coffee mug cafe. And barista creations. If you scroll down through here, and another thing I realized is when I bought this, I didn't realize this came with a gift. It actually comes with a gift box of 12 coffee pods. So I was kind of like, oh crap. Anyways, centrifusion, you got the small petite, medium, large, extra large, and tall grande. Now, I'm not really sure what is what here. I don't know if that's compatible with this or not. But this right here is the DeLonghi, which I guess means something. Oh yeah, and this thing's compatible with Bluetooth. So it has offered, they offer you 12 coffees free, one touch system, 30 heat up time, even though the old models they say 35. This was faster, I guess. And Nespresso sustainability commitment, and it's compact, and it has compact, it is recyclable, and the auto off, it automatically shuts off in 2 minutes. Now the cool thing about this, because I kind of already opened the top, is that it has these little flaps right here. You just pull them out. No tape required. I was literally like, wow. Oh yeah, and then on the top here, it shows a $10 offer, 10% off or something inside for coffee when you order online. So here it says, take advantage of all the Vertuo Pop benefits. And it's in Italian also, because I guess this is an Italian machine. It says to scan this barcode right here. I don't know if you can see, but it says to scan this barcode right here. and then you download the app, and then you connect it to Bluetooth or something. Smartphone not included. That's funny. Who would think that a smartphone is included? Anyways, here the first thing you get is your safety first. I guess it's like your safety and stuff. And then here's you got the Vertuo Next, Vertuo Pop, and the Vertuo Plus. Yeah, this is like the machine overview and stuff. Yep. Here's the instructions how to connect your thing. You just download the app or something, launch the app, click machine icon, follow the instructions on the app. Excuse me. And here are all the different pods. You have small, medium, large, and extra large, and they work for all these machines and makes all these sizes. And first step, it tells you to rinse the thing and put clean water. Okay, yeah. And then you have whatever this is. It's a blinking summary. Here's all the summaries. They tell you if it's blinking like this, if it's blinking that color, if it's blinking blue, if it's blinking red, and they tell you what each of them all do. Then you have, oh, this is the warranty. Here's the Nespresso I guess this would be like a sticker or something. You peel that and oh yeah, this is the serial number and stuff. This is how you register your product online. But anyways, this is the drip tray. Of course I know what this is. So this drip tray is similar to the drip tray from the Keurig makers. It still doesn't drip down and make a mess, but here's the coffee maker itself. Well, the water container is very tiny. And they actually tell you to rinse this off or something. They tell you to rinse this off with water and stuff. But yeah, this is the water compartment where the water goes. And then on the top here, you have your, you push that to turn it on. And then you have the unlock. Oh. And then I guess this is where the, yeah. And when you're done with your coffee pod, you just dump it out. But you can see everything inside there. When you're done making your coffee, you push it in and you lock it. Yeah, just like that. And then on the bottom here, this is where your drip tray goes. Goes right down there just like that. Everybody knows what type of wall adapter this is for the US. And here we have quick start guide plus $10 on your first coffee. I guess it's $10 off. This is kind of like a rinse machine before use. And then they tell you to use single, double, grandungo, and signature. Oh yeah, look, here's my code for this. Nespresso. Oh yeah, and last but not least, you get this, the gift box.